world's largest bird.
Oh, mystical fact machine. Do you know ostriches also lay the biggest eggs?
Do you know once I had a race with the ostrich and I lost the race?
Oh, I can't believe that you lost it.
Yes, I lost the race. I could also not believe it because my fast wings are the fastest of the fleet tribe.
I have really strong legs to run really fast.
But you can't fly.
No, I can fly. I can fly.
Oh, really? Just show me. Oh, look, it can take big steps.
Now where are we going?
Why should I tell you?
Oh. Look, who's there flying?
It's the African grey parrot, the bird which I wanted you to meet.
Oh.
Blah, 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 blah. Shut your mouth, African grey parrot. I can't keep quiet. I can't keep quiet. Do you know that the African grey parrot is the world's most talkative bird?
Oh.
It wouldn't keep quiet. It can repeat anything you say twice. You are right. You are right. You are right. You are so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. Do I look cute?
Yes, you're cute and smart.
Smart. Very smart. Very smart. That's true. Come, Fluffy Rabbit.
I'm not African rabbit. I'm Luna.
Okay, Luna, calm down. Let me take you to Bangapura Sanctuary.
Where is it?
In Karnataka, there's a bird that you will surely love.
Oh, we are going to fly Karnataka.
Yes.
Then let's fly.
Luna, behave.
Oh, such a nice and big fan. I'm going to sit under it.
Silly mystic bees, come out of there. It's not a fan. Look carefully. These are the feathers of the peacock, the national bird of India.
Oh, I am a peacock. I am a peacock.
I have blue, green, bronze, perfect colors in my feathers. My feathers are called rains. I love to dance in the rain. Let's dance, guys. This silly mystic beast, stop it. Okay, let's meet another species of bird.
where are you going?
It's a surprise.
Such a big trees and plants.
Yes, Amazon rainforest.
This is cold, dense, and creepy.
Yes, it's giving me creeps. Look, I see a bright yellow orange beak. That's a bird. Come, Luna.
Hi, I'm a toucan. Hi, I'm a toucan. I am black and white in color, and I have a multicolored beak.
Such a long and nice beak.
Let me take you to a ride to the Amazon rainforest.
Yes,